Did you know goats see the world differently than humans and can even understand human emotions from voice? Let's explore simple and amazing scientific facts about goats. Goats are domesticated animals that humans have raised for thousands of years. There are more than 300 breeds of goats in the world. A goat's eyes are on the sides of its head, so it can see around 320 degrees without turning. Goats use a two-color vision system. They see blue and green clearly, but red looks dull or gray. Goats have very strong hearing. They can hear sounds from about 78 Hz up to 37,000 Hz. They can even understand if a human voice is happy or angry. Goats are intelligent animals. They can remember their owners and recognize faces. When in danger, goats can run at speeds of 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. Their special hooves help them climb and balance on steep and rocky surfaces. A goat usually gives birth to 1 to 3 babies, and twins are very common. With good care, a goat can produce 2 to 4 liters of milk per day. Their main enemies are wolves and wild dogs. Goats are smart, alert, and truly fascinating animals. If you like our videos or information, be sure to like the videos and subscribe to the channel. This will boost our morale.